welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I am going to show you how I make a quick, easy 15-minute basil marinara sauce. Now, these ingredients are super simple. All you need is some chopped garlic, about 2 cloves, half of a yellow onion, some Italian seasoning, some chopped basil, some pepper and salt just to season it to taste, olive oil for your pan, some water, and some diced tomatoes. Now I used about 25 ounces. I actually used a can, which makes this recipe so much easier. Feel free to use fresh tomatoes if that's what you have, but to make it easier, I just used a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes because the fire roasted just really brings out the flavor. So let's get started. I am just using, I guess, a medium size pot here. I'm just gonna turn my heat up to about medium high. I'm gonna put a little olive oil, about 3 tablespoons in there. And let that get nice and heated up while I chop up this yellow onion. Now, a good trick for chopping up your yellow onion is to leave the stem on at least one of the ends, just so that when you're chopping it up, I'll show you exactly what I mean. Just that when you're chopping it up, if you can come over here, just that when you're chopping, your onion does not fall apart. So you don't want to like chop all the way through. There we go. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that together there to make it a little bit faster. There we go. All right, so I have my garlic and chopped onions, diced onions going in. And you can hear that too. There we go. And I went ahead and turned this heat down. There we go. And we wanna cook this until the onions are translucent. You do not want to burn or over brown these, or else you will not have a good ingredient for your sauce. So, already browning, which I love. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. And I can smell it already. When that onion hits that garlic and that olive oil, you can smell it. That smells good. It's gonna take no time at all. So for about 3 minutes, we're just gonna let this cook and we'll add the other ingredients. All right, you guys, so these onions are nice and translucent and they smell delicious with this garlic. So now it is time to add in these fire roasted diced tomatoes. Ooh, I love that sauce going in there. There we go. I wish you guys could smell this. And I'm just gonna turn this on a medium heat and get that all nice and mixed up in there. Yeah. Oh my goodness, smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in, this is about 2 tablespoons of basil. Look how pretty that is. This looks like bruschetta, but it's not. It's marinara sauce. Basil marinara sauce to be exact. And see how I'm mixing that in there just so that I can get it all throughout this sauce. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in some Italian seasoning. It's really up to you how much you want. I guess I'll add in about maybe 1.5 tablespoons. A little more. There we go. I just used the dried Italian seasoning, or if you want to be a little fancier, go ahead and just get some fresh herbs if you like that, and just make it how you want it. It even looks like some salsa here. And kind of as I'm stirring, I'm just kind of chopping down a little bit of this just to make it a little saucier, but that's okay because we're going to add some water. So add about 1/2 cup of water and let it mix. And it's going to evaporate, so there's no worries with that at all. And I'm going to add some pepper to taste, and some salt. I can smell it already. So give that a nice stir, right? And let this simmer. Feel free to cover it if you'd like. I'm not going to cover it because I cannot find my lid, but feel free to cover it if you'd like. And we're going to keep this on here for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna try it, see if it needs any adjustments. It really shouldn't. Everything was seasoned fine. This is usually how I make this sauce, so everything should be fine. But it depends on what you like, really. So we are going to let this go ahead and simmer for 15 minutes, and we'll be back. We'll be able to try it, okay? All right, guys, so the basil marinara sauce is finished simmering, and I am so excited to try this. Look at this. Look at how just nice and saucy it is, and I love the chunks of diced tomato. And if you noticed earlier, right when we put the water in, it was still like liquidy, but just by it simmering 15 minutes, it got nice, like a nice saucy consistency. And I can smell all the flavors, so I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna try this with a French baguette. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I can't wait. And I just warmed up the French baguette. I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna try so much of it. Or a lot, I guess, right? Not a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna try it. Shake a little bit off. So I know I'll be coming back for more, so I can leave all this here. Go ahead and grab some. I have everything. Yep.
Let's see it.
I have everything. I have some piece of garlic, some onion, tomatoes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's hot. Hello, little friend. Oh my gosh, okay. You guys, that's phenomenal. It's so good. It honestly tastes like it's been simmering for like 3 to 4 hours. It's so good. This sauce doesn't need anything else. All the ingredients I showed you earlier, it's exactly what it needs. It's so good. Yummy. You ate that quickly. Okay, you guys. Now, if you want this recipe, the ingredients, it's down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy this. I'm probably gonna get myself another piece of bread after this piece because it's that good. But if you want the ingredients, go ahead, link down below. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like and comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. One more piece, okay? And that's it. I know you love it. I know. I know. Oh, it's yummy, Papa. Okay, one more piece. That's it. One more piece, that's it. Is it